Tammy Conway, Department Chair, Dental Hygiene and Dental Assisting Program. Welcome to our Senior Dental Hygiene Clinic. Currently we are treating patients of our community. We are a state-of-the-art 36-unit dental hygiene facility where we offer prevention services. Some of those services that we offer include but are not limited to radiographs, professional cleanings, prophylaxis, sealants, dietary guidance. We are the largest of its kind in the Northeast region, and we welcome you to come and visit and have a wonderful experience with our students. Each of our clinics are staffed by attending dentists and registered dental hygienists. Come on over and I'll show you the radiology area. We are now in our radiology area where we train our students to provide the most patient-centered, evidence-based care on radiographs. Some of the radiographs that we provide for our patient include Panorex, Bitewing, and periapicals. That's all for us for now. Goodbye from the Robert Hill Dental Hygiene Clinic. Take care.